There are obviously vacant parking spaces, but there are cars on both sides. Just remember 3 sentences. You can enter the parking space quickly. Let's drive forward along the parallel lines of the parking spaces. When the car rearview mirror aligns with the corner of the target parking space, turn the steering wheel fully to the right. Drive forward. When the parking corner of the target parking space is just seen in the left rearview mirror, turn the steering wheel fully to the left. Reverse the car. Park perfectly. Very practical, right? Follow me to make a friend who knows cars.